Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and we're just letting you know we moved into our new place and we're just getting started to set up the studio. And as you can see behind me, there's plenty of boxes, totally unpacked, but we're getting there slowly. And yes, thanks Cougar for sending me the Royal 150 desk and also the Forte mic arm, as well as the DUO35 dual monitor arm. And we're going to be assembling the desk as well as the mic arm and the dual monitor stand. So the Cougar Royal 150 desk features 2 stage legs, which provides excellent stability, and a dual motor system with advanced anti-collision detection. There's also a superior memory keypad with a 3-digit display and 4 settings, so you can adjust your height accordingly. It also comes with some nice features, including a cable grommet and an under-desk cable trays for easy cable management. What's more, there's also 2 built-in power sockets on the desktop and a 5-socket power strip underneath the desk. And you can easily assemble this within minutes. So let's take a look, and we'll see you in a bit. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the Cougar Royal 150 desk, the Forte mic arm, and the DUO35 dual monitor stand. And thanks Cougar for sponsoring this video and sending me the entire setup so I can actually get the studio up and running. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy these via links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.